Hey guys, welcome back to another Divinium demo. Today we're showing off the Claw by Jawa's Junkyard. This hilt was donated by Jason. He's a long-standing client and an awesome friend. He donated this hilt to me, and I donated it to the client who purchased the install for it, so everyone got an awesome deal. We paid it all forward. To use this, there's a blade retention screw on the back. It's very straightforward. One button setup. To access the chassis, remove the screw at the bottom. And then slide off the claw. This claw was actually hand painted by my artisan, and it came out really nice. To access the rest of the chassis, unscrew the slotted screw in the middle. And slide the lower section off. The chassis will come right out. It's a very simple install just with what was provided to me by Jason. To put it back in, I recommend lining it up with the base using a flat surface, lining up your screw holes, and then resting the saber on a flat surface to screw back in the slotted screw. After confirming functionality, slide back on the claw grip, insert the grip screw, and you're good to go. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and may the force be with you.